video to show you how to do the 1-point perspective grid construction. It's fairly similar with the YouTube link that I shared in Canvas. This is just another way, and if you notice, it's the same also, a step-by-step with the lecture, but the lecture PowerPoint might be a little bit wordy, so I'm just going to show you a little bit faster way and a little backstory to it, so hopefully you'll understand it much better. And for this, if you notice, I do a bond paper underneath my tracing, just so that I can see clearly, because I do have a cutting mat on my work table. This is a tracing. This is the bond paper. I believe is 11 by 14. My tracing paper is the 18 inches. But if you could, and you have the space, you're more than welcome to use a larger sheet of paper, which is actually probably better for you. And for this exercise, I'm going to do color pens and pencils, just so that it's a little bit more clear in the video. But you're welcome to do it in color pencils or just pens, mechanical pencils, up to you. So first thing, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick somewhere in the center of the paper and do a straight horizontal line as my, do it blue, ground line. Okay, that's my GL. Next thing, we're going to decide the horizon line, which is pretty much your viewer's height. And usually around 5 feet 5 feet. So let's make it even unit 5 feet, which I'm gonna represent that feet unit in a 1/4 inch increment on my drawing. So 1/4 inch represents 1 foot. Okay, start marking it up. So 1, oops, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's actually right there. Okay, I'm gonna do maybe different color right now. I'm gonna make sure it's straight. This is where a triangle comes handy. 5 feet. 5 feet. I like to use a triangle because it shows, and it's the clear one, because it shows all your lines while you're working on your sheet. Oops, this one is dry. Let's do a blue one. Oh, I just used one. It's a darker blue. Okay. Okay. That's my horizon line. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the picture plane. So imagine if you're standing where you're at right now, and then you hold this rectangle frame in front of you. That represents picture plane. On this exercise, we're going to put the picture plane on the ground line. So let's say we are doing a rendering of a room. That's going to be the back wall. That's going to be what you see of the back wall. So let me do it in green. And I want to put the picture plane in the center of the ground line. So I haven't put any units measurements on the ground line, but I'm going to do it right now. Because I want to decide the center of this ground line. So hopefully you guys can see this. Okay, the center here. I'm just we're gonna do the same increments that we did here. A 1/4 inch represents 1 foot. And then I want to do maybe 12 feet room. So let's do that. Oh, sorry. If this is 9, center of it is right here. 12 feet room, so that's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not too many of that. That's fine. I can erase it. And this is your viewer's height, the horizon line. So the room is going to be taller, which is on this exercise, let's do a 10 feet ceiling height room. I'm going to continue that increment all the way to 10 feet. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And do, I guess, everything blue. So you're going to draw a straight line, a vertical line that's going to represent one corner of your room. Let me do this so that I have an idea where to stop it. Make sure it's straight. And make sure it's perfect, 90 degree. Yes. 2, and I'm going right here. That is my picture plane. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker and blue. Then we're gonna decide on the viewer point, vanishing point. Is, let me try this out. Great. So for example, the viewer's standing right here. I'm not going to put it exactly on the center to make the view a little bit more interesting. This is the shoulder. This is a top view looking at the viewer. This is the viewer. I'm going to pull a straight line of the viewer for me to decide there you go. That's my vanishing